hand off to my colleague Stephen Young, who is going to provide some commentary in the final minutes of the countdown and the first phases of the flight while I operate the camera here at Kennedy Space Center. Stephen, all yours.
Hey, this is Mitch Bromwell. I'm one and a half miles from the launch pad. We're launching a SpaceX Heavy tonight with a ViaSat-3 satellite. This satellite weighs 13,000 pounds and it has the largest solar array of any satellite that will be around the Earth's orbit. It will provide internet service for our ships, boats, and airplanes. And it's going to go off in about 1 minute, folks. I'm going to let this one run. This is going to be a long, and then I'm going to do a regular camo shorts. This is 30 April 2023. Mitch Bromwell coming to you from Kennedy Space Center, Florida. This is launching for Pad 39A. God bless you all, and God bless America. got to see something. I hope the wind didn't blow it all off. It looks like the rumble of the rocket threw off the camera. Hopefully you got to see some of the launch anyway. This is Mitch Bromwell, Kennedy Space Center, 30 April 2023. God bless you all and God bless America.